everyone, welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, give a like and comment on my video. So dear children, today I am here with a new topic for you. The name of topic is transitive and intransitive verbs. Let's start now. What is the transitive verbs? Let me tell you the definition of transitive verbs. A transitive verb is one that can have an object, so it can be used in the passive voice. तो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स ऐसे वर्ब होते हैं जिनमें ऑब्जेक्ट होता है एंड इफ एनी वर्ब हैज ऑब्जेक्ट वी कैन चेंज द सेंटेंस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. अगर किसी वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट होता है तो हम उसको इजीली पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर पाते हैं. लेट्स लर्न विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल्स. The cow eats grass. What does the cow eat? The answer is grass. It means eat is a verb in the sentence and it has object also, that is grass. So it is transitive verb. In another words, we can say a transitive verb is followed by a direct object that receives the action of the verb. And the formula is subject plus action verb plus object. Let's read the example. Jessica sharpened the pencil. What is verb in the sentence? Sharpened. So sharpened is action verb and it is transitive verb because it has object the pencil. So pencil is receiver of the action verb. And direct object give the answer of what or who. Who or what का answer direct object करता है. So, direct object is receiver of transitive verbs. We can learn by the example. They bought new equipment. What is verb in the sentence? What is action verb in the sentence? Bought. And I am asking you, bought what? क्या खरीदा? The answer is equipment. So, equipment is direct object in the sentence. And we can say equipment is receiving the action verb, the action of the verb. So, this is bought is transitive verb in the sentence. Now, we have learnt about transitive verbs. Now, let's move further. Let's talk about intransitive verbs. What is the intransitive verbs? Let me tell you the definition first. An intransitive verb is an action verb that does not require the addition of a direct object और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट टू कंप्लीट इट्स मीनिंग. सो जैसा हम लोगों ने अभी रीड किया ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के बारे में, ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है. ऑन कॉन्ट्रेरी इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स में ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं होती. एंड इफ देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट इन द सेंटेंस, इफ एनी वर्ब डज नॉट हैव एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, वी कैन नॉट चेंज द सेंटेंस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. अगर वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता है तो हम उस सेंटेंस को पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. लेट्स रीड सम एग्जांपल्स. ही रन्स. देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट इन द सेंटेंस, सो रन्स इज intransitive verb. She laughed. No object is there. Laughed is verb only, that is intransitive verb. The rain will fall. I live in this room. These all are the example of intransitive verbs. In another words, we can say intransitive verbs don't have an object that follows the verb. The formula is subject plus verb plus prepositional phrase. And prepositional phrase will not give you answer of who or what. Prepositional phrase कभी भी what और who का आंसर नहीं करते हैं, तो we cannot call them object. Prepositional phrase को आप object नहीं बोल सकते. For example, he rain. Rain what? There is no answer to this question. Now I'm reading the complete sentence. He ran across the field. Across the field is prepositional phrase in the sentence, but it is not giving the answer of who or what. So we cannot say that this is object. No, this is not object. It is only prepositional phrase. Let's read more examples. The dog barked. Jill fell. Tim packed. These all are the examples of intransitive verbs because they don't have object. Let's read more example. They cheered. So cheered is action verb but it does not have object. So we can call that cheered is intransitive verb in sentence number 1. Now come to the second one. They cheered for whom? Cheered is action verb but there is no object. So we can call it intransitive verb. Now look at the third one. They cheered the band. They cheered for whom? What they cheered? What they cheered? The answer is band. So there is an object in the sentence. So we can call that in third sentence cheered is transitive verb because cheered has an object in the sentence. That is giving the answer of what. Band what का आंसर कर रहा है तो we can say that band is object in third sentence and if any verb has object we can call that verb intransitive verb. So now let's come to more examples. She sang. Sang is action verb in the sentence but it does not have any object. So we can call it intransitive verb. Look at the second example. She sang inside of the stadium. This is prepositional phrase. Inside of stadium is prepositional phrase. So it cannot be object. So this is also intransitive verb. Thank you for watching my video. And please subscribe, like